How to sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide it through. You want to simply open up a Trust Wallet and make sure you're there on your account there. Now I'll just go through the verification code here. Once you go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet, it should see somewhat like this. What you want to do is you want to tap on the particular crypto that you're wishing to sell. Suppose you have Bitcoin on. Now I don't have any, but I'll just be showing you. So suppose you have Bitcoin, you'll get these options once you open up it. Right now you'll see the more option there. You can see send, receive, buy, and more. Tap on more and you can see sell option. You want to tap on it, then you want to enter in the amount. Now I don't have any, but once you tap and enter in the amount, it'll take you through other process where you'll have to add in their certain details, and after that you'll be able to place your order. So this way you can sell crypto on Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.